Hello from Slovenia again. I will do today a spiral reverse flower dip. I will draw a spiral and do a reverse flower dip with a paper napkin and try to get some nice flowery looking painting. And I will use just black and pearl white today. So this is my pearl white mixture. Those who don't know me, I mix Vallejo pearl medium with my pouring medium. You can find everything in some videos and description box. And I will not put the base down yet, I think. I will rotate my spin table and try to draw a spiral. Okay, this is okay. I will add some black here and here, and because I will do a reverse flower dip, I kind of need quite some black here, because I will pull it off a little bit with my napkin. Doke. And now pearl white. Next to the black. Oh. Okay, and now I will wet down my paper napkin with water. I like to work with dumped paper napkin, but you have other options too. You can use plastic, dry one, whatever works for you best. You know, this is similar like with all pouring techniques. You have to find, you get the inspiration, but sorry, you have to try and figure out what works for you. Maybe this will not work for me at all, but this is a part of fluid art that I really love. So prosím. Prosím. Okay, let's put the napkin down. And I like monochromatic pours, you know. Sometimes you're more focused on some nice details with monochromatic pours, or just me, I don't know. I am like that. So let's try to do this nicely. This corner and this one and this one and this one. Now I have to torch this and wait for the magic happen. That the magic will happen. Okay. I'm not crazy about this part here, or maybe I will just give it a baby spin. I just have to add some black here because I think that I will need that. And when you tilt, you're also spreading and leveling out your paint if there is any imperfections, and you open up some more cells and lacing. Oop. Didn't mean to do that, but now I already did. Okay, I'm still not crazy about that part, but I'm afraid that I will mess it if I will try to correct this. And I don't want to add just black because I'm afraid that it will not be centered or leveled, I should say, balanced, maybe better word. Okay, I will leave it now. Maybe I should just add a little more negative space black around, but otherwise I'm happy. So I will take you down for a close-up. So here it is. I have to say that I like it. Just enough lacing and everything for my taste. Just I would love to have a little negative space around, but I never done it without base coat, so but it's still very nice, I think. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.